What is up, everybody? It is John from 3 Guys 1 Puck, and today we're going to break an Artifacts 1920 hobby box. So we're expecting 3 hits and 1 rookie redemption in this box. 8 packs. Let's hop right into it.
Woo!
I could not contain myself, so I decided to get another one of these. It's a really good set. Unfortunately, I overpaid this time, but it is what it is. Let's see if we can...
Another 5 of 5.
Yeah, maybe get my money back here.
Do you think all 5 spell like stars?
What?
For his things. Do you think there's the S-T-A-R-S for the 5?
I don't know. I saw one on Reddit.
The 5 of 5 Medano?
It was 3 of 5.
Yeah,
Oh,
and he didn't have a letter.
Oh, interesting.
So.
Right? Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Small world.
Oh my goodness, what am I doing?
Means there's only 3 left.
Alright, let's start off with right, because of what we know. Alright. Mark Stone, Jakob Silfverberg, Marc-Andre Fleury, 350 of 399.
Nice.
Those are the serial numbered cards. A Ruby, I'd assume.
A Ruby.
Your Decoy, and Elias Lindholm.
Maybe we'll complete the base set too.
There's stuff on
Yeah,
the
I
back.
hope so.
Howdy. These packs look weird.
Like you.
Alright, Patrick Laine.
Hey. Oh!
A rookie redemption for St. Louis Blues cost.
Probably Costin, I'm not too sure.
Yeah, probably Costin. I'd assume so. Your Decoy, and Tyler Bozak, as well as Ben Bishop, recently on Spit and Chicklets podcast. Go give it a listen.
Yeah, it's a pretty interesting one.
Shout out Spit and Chicklets. Biz Nasty, if you're listening to this.
Not a big deal.
Not a big deal, bud.
Not a big deal.
Jason Zucker, Craig Anderson,
Oh,
another rookie redemption autograph. Rookie redemption
13.
gonna be number
23,
13.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, 23.
23.
Wow, holy sweet mercy.
Jeez.
Well then, okay,
math.
that's an autograph. That's
Who's
good
23?
to have.
I don't know. I got 16 though.
Yeah.
Oh, what
I know the
Decoy
draft pick was Newhook. I just don't know if at that point it's going to be that person. So.
Yeah.
and Mika Zabinajad.
Hot start for him this season.
Very.
With the 8 points in 2 games.
Can't beat that.
Well, you're 1 pack away from the banger. Spoiler.
Andrei Svechnikov, Kyle Okposo, 111 of 299 copper. Decoy, Gabriel Landeskog, and Torrey Krug.
Best you got is Okposo.
All right, and here's the banger.
boy.
The top pack on the left side paid out for us every single other box that we've opened of these. So this has got to be V1. That's
Drum roll, please.
We got Alexander Radulov and a Team Tundra duos. Jack Eichel
Wow.
and Rasmus Dahlin.
Massive.
134 of 199. Let's go, baby.
Dang.
Nice.
What a card to
That is
get.
very nice.
That is a really good looking card. Big fan. The Decoy and the Nolan Patrick.
Best part, not 130 point, 120 point. Woo!
There you go. You can actually fit it in something we have.
Well, we have 120 points. It's plus.
Well. Matthew Tkachuk. Nicholas Backstrom. A 10
Oh,
of 599 Mike
I
Liut.
had that same guy. Beautiful.
No way.
Yeah, I pulled him earlier. I pulled
There
him
you
in
go.
the first box.
Oh, well then. There's another
Rowdy.
numbered card for us.
I don't
And
want
the
to trade for it
Decoy,
just to have both of them.
as well as
I have
Sean Monahan.
So the 23rd pick was Simon Holmstrom from the New York Islanders.
no Liddy.
Liddy.
I don't know.
I don't know if that's what it is.
It might
Like,
not be the it's not always the draft pick.
Yeah.
So
I don't
we'll
know.
see.
Interesting. When I pulled Matthew Tkachuk and Sean Monahan, I pulled Mikhail McCarr 22 of 99.
Whoa, it's coming.
This.
All right. Evgeny Kuznetsov. A Brady Keeper, 61 of 99 rookie
nice.
card. Yeah.
Nice emerald.
Good looking emerald card, yeah, for sure. For sure, Gord. Decoy. Anthony Mantha and Alex Galchenyuk. All right, let's pray that Quinn didn't curse me here.
Or
With what? Oh no!
Dun-dun.
Last pack.
Please no.
This has to
Oh,
be
it
a
has
hit.
to be a hit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Well,
only because the autograph rookie
Yeah, it has to
redemption
be a
and then
hit.
the Tundra teammates. There's no way it's not.
The regular redemption doesn't count?
No, because you're guaranteed one of those.
Interesting.
well, 1 in 9. You should.
Yeah. Unless you're really unlucky. No, there's definitely a thick boy in there. Yeah, this is a hit. All right. Alexander Barkov. And then Artem Anisimov, Blackhawks, 115 of 165. It's a
Now
card.
in Ottawa. Fun fact.
Yeah.
Forgot about
Really?
that. Yep.
Oh.
Traded for Zach Smith.
I like that it's the red, though. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it's not a 130. Woo!
Decoy and Seth Jones.
So-
All right.
Yeah,
So
we don't have 1-touches at the moment. That's why we're celebrating. No 130s.
So the best card of the box is obviously going to be this Tundra Teammates 134 of 199, Jack Eichel and Rasmus Dahlin. The only better thing that I could have got for this would have been the quad. So Jack Eichel, Dahlin, and 2 others.
Reinhardt and Ristolainen.
Yeah, it could have been
Skinner,
anyone,
Skinner,
like
probably
really.
Skinner.
But and then other than that, we also got the Anisimov that we just pulled and a autographed rookie redemption for number 23. And then our rookie redemption for this box was the St. Louis Blues. We would assume that this is going to end up being Costin, but we're not entirely sure. Oh, and a numbered rookie, 61 to 99, Emerald, Brady Keeper.
Good numbering.
Yeah.
Good emerald.
Let's watch him
Yeah,
turn
better-
out to be a good player.
Better turn out to be something good.
But if you enjoyed that box as much as I did for this beautiful Eichel and Dahlin card, give it a comment as well as a like, and subscribe if you want some more Artifacts 1920.